welcome back again. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay at home. Okay. Then the last class you had learned about what? 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. The same chapter continuing now. Then chapter 1 among the 4-digit number. Okay. Then what is the first topic? This is to get 1000. To get 1000. Already 1000 is given. 1000 is given. This is thousands is given. The some numbers are also given here. Then what we'll find out? First of all, 999 plus dash. Which number added? Which number we add? Which number we need and which number? Then you had learned 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Okay. Then dash number. Say in which number added to 999 to get 1000? To get 1000 what? 999 plus 1. This also you already learned. So we can say 999 plus 1 equal to 1000. Okay, then what is the next number? 800. 800. In which number added to 800 to get 1000? In which number added to 800 to get 1000? In which number? So already is given is 800. Then so you count 800, 900, 1000. 200s. We need 200s. We need 200s. So we can say 800 plus 200 equal to what? 1000. Okay. This is only what? 10 only given. Then what is the next number? 10. We already know that. Then 10 in which number added to 10 to get 1000? You already studied the tens. Okay. The 990 plus 10 equal to what? 1000. What is? 990. This is the difference of 10. 990 plus 10 what? 990 plus 10. Add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 is right here. 1 is the carryover. Okay. 9 plus 1, 10. We get what? 1000. So we can write 10 plus 990. 10 plus 990. Got it. Some examples given in your textbook. So you should complete that. Okay, if you have textbook, you should complete. Others, when you will get a textbook, after that we will complete this. Okay. The next topic is number name. Write the number name. What is the number name? Number name what? Number name is what? It's a spelling of the given number. In figures is given, you write in words. Write in words. That words means the number name. Write in words what is? You write the spelling of the given number. Understood? It's a figure is given in figure. In figure. In figures. Okay. First question is how to read this? How to read this? We already learned how to read the 4-digit numbers. We already learned how to read the 4-digit numbers. Then read this 1245. How to read it? 1245. We already learned the 1000 spelling, 100 spelling and 45. Everything you learned. Okay, then simply we can write what? In words. In words. Words means you write the spelling. Okay, 1245. 1 O-N-E 1. 1000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1000. 200. T-W-O-2. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 45. 40 spelling F-O-R-T-Y 45. F-I-V-E. This is the number in figures 1245 in words. In words, you write the number name of the given number. In words, you can write 1245. Got it? Okay, now I will write the next number. Read this number. 6479. 6479. You had already learned how to read the 4-digit number. Do you remember that? Okay. Then in words. In words. How to write in words? 6000. 6. X-I-X. 6. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1000. 400. F-O-U-R. 400. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 470. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 79. Okay. 6479. Once again read 6479. All of you got it? Are you follow me? Then insert, then write the number name. Number name is write in words. You write the spelling of the given number. 1245 and 6479. All of you understood? Okay, in this portion you have any doubt, you ask me personally. Okay. Now we are discussing how to write the 4-digit numbers, number name in figures and in words. Okay, that's your topic, then you understood. Okay, next one, joining hundreds. Joining hundreds. Then Akhil deposited 100 rupees for every month. Got it? Akhil deposited 100 rupees every month. His bank balance is what? Only 1000 rupees. Akhil deposited 100 rupees for every month. His balance is 1000 rupees. In bank balance is 1000 rupees. So, first month, January, he deposited 100 rupees. January, he deposited 100 rupees. So, what is the amount of this amount? What is the amount of here? Already, he has 1000 rupees. Then, Akhil deposited in January 100 rupees more. Then, what is the total amount? This how to find out? 1000 plus 100. What is the 1000 plus 100? What is the answer? 1100. Understood? Akhil deposited 100 rupees every month. His bank balance is already 1000 rupees. So, first month he deposited 100 rupees. What will get the new amount? What is the new amount? 1000 plus 100 equal to 1100. Okay. Then next month also he deposited but 100 rupees more. Then we'll get what? Already January is as what is the amount? 1100. So we can add 1100 plus 100. What will get 1100 plus 100? 1200. 1200. If you don't know how to do that, 1100 plus 100. Add it. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 is here. Now number is here, so 1 is right down. So, in February, he has how much rupees? 1200. Got it. Then, in March month also, he deposited 100 rupees. What will get there? Then the February, in month of February, he has 1200 rupees. In March, he deposited again 100 rupees. So, we can add 1200 plus 100. And we'll get a 0, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 1300. 1300. Got it? In 3 months, the Agil got how much rupees? 1300 rupees. Then what is the total cost? Total amount. Total amount. Total amount what? First month the balance is 1000, January 1100, February 1200, March 1300. Then total is 1300 rupees. Then you write in words. Write in words, you already learned how to write in words. 1300. ONE1 THOUSAND 1000. Then what? Then 1300. In words you are right 1300. Got it all? Then add thousands plus 100. Then we got 1300. The right in words 1300. Understood all of you? Now we are discussing joining hundreds. So the next topic is add 1, 2, 3 digit numbers. Add 1, 2, 3 digit numbers with thousands. First of all, I will write one number. 1000 plus 6. What is the next number? 1000 plus 6. 1000 plus 6. 1006. 1006. Okay. Next we can write 2000 plus 20. What is 2000 plus 20? 1000 plus 6, 1006. 2000 plus 20 what? 2020. Got it? 2020. Got it? Next step. 6000 plus 8. What is the next number? 6008. 1000 plus 6, 1006. 2000 plus 20, 2020. 6000 plus 8 is 6008. Then 5000 plus 250. What will get there? 5000 plus 250. 5250. 5250. Then 3000 plus 145. How to write it? 3000 plus 145. 3145. Are you follow me? Okay. The last question we write there. 9000 plus 83. How to write 9000 plus 83? 9083. 9083. This is add 1, 2, 3 digits from thousands. 1000 plus 6, 1006. 2000 plus 20, 2020. 6000 plus 8, 6008. 5000 plus 250, 5250. 3000 plus 145, 3145. 9000 plus 83, 9083. Okay, got it. Okay, next we will learn the place values. Place values. What is the place value? Place value. Place value. What is the place value? We already learned the places of the given number. What is the first place? Ones. Do you remember this? The abacus. Do you remember this? This is the abacus. Okay, we first you are writing the 1000. First place is ones. What is? Ones. Second place is tens. Third place is hundreds. No space here. The last place is 1000. This is the 4-digit number places. What is? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Simply we can write what? Ones, 0. Tens, T. Hundreds, H. Thousands, TH. Once again I repeat, These the places we can arrange in the short form. Ones, 0. Tens, T. Hundreds, H. Thousands, TH. The 4-digit number has 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Once again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then simply we can write the short form here. No space here, so we can write the short form. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 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 hundred, tens, ones. This is the places of 4-digit numbers. This is the place values. Okay, then how to write 100? 0, 0. How to write 1000? Sorry. How to write 1000? 0, 1. This is 1000. 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundreds, 1000. So, you can draw one bead here. Okay, this is what 1000. Only one is here. So, we can put one small 0 is a thousands place. This is 100. This is the places of 4-digit number. Then I will write the next question. 4, 5. This is the 4-digit number. 6,578. 6,578. Can say the places of this number. First of all, starting from 8. 8 ones. How to write? 8 ones. Next, 7 tens. Next, 5 hundreds. Then 6,000. Okay, then simply we can write 8 ones, 7 tens, 5 hundreds, 6,000s. Understood? 8 ones, 8 ones, 7 tens, 7 tens, 500, 500s, 6,000, 6,000. Understood all of you? Okay, this is the places of 4-digit number. Then I will write the next number. Okay, then simply we can write this number 4,253. 4,253. How to write? 3 ones, 5 tens, 2 hundreds, 4,000. Okay, this is the places of 4-digit number. Place value of 4-digit number. Okay, can you follow me? Okay, understood? Okay. Okay, then today we will discuss with the place values, number names, in figures, in words, everything we have discussed. Okay, all of you understood all topics? So, you can wind up today's class. If you have any doubt, you ask personally. Okay, bye children, see you later.